large oil and gas company in Algeria contacted AESSEAL to look at a sealing issue on its process oil pumps. Each pump had 2 seals fed from one unpressurized cooling pot. The high process temperature, poor cooling, and insufficient lubrication were causing heavy coking and oil leaks every 2 months. Our Algerian team recommended our CAP-EC dual bellows and FDU fluid distribution unit. This double mechanical seal with metal bellows is designed for optimum performance in these high-temperature applications. Fully API 682 compliant, the CAP-EC dual seal is a double cartridge internally balanced seal for use in oil and gas industry equipment. The FDU system provides higher flow rate, better heat dissipation, and pressurized barrier fluid circulation. It is fitted with a cooler to counteract the high ambient temperature at the site, which can reach 60 degrees Celsius. This solution has been installed without failure for the last 24 months and is still running, raising the mean time between failure from 2 months to 24 months and counting. When the going gets tough, call AESSEAL